Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix nearby share not working in Windows 11. First method is change nearby sharing settings. Second method is turn on Bluetooth. Third method is change Bluetooth property settings. Fourth method is change services settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.